Hello, today we're going to talk about how to apply as a Canva creator as part of their program and get paid passive income and royalties every time someone uses your designs, your templates, your videos, and your elements. We're going to talk about the process of the application and the acceptance or approval, and we're going to talk about what things you can do to maximize your earnings in the Canva creators program. So if you're ready to join the Canva creators community, if you're ready to share your amazing work with millions of people while earning royalties, stay tuned for today's video. It's time to get excited and take action with Canva creators. Canva creators is a program for graphic designers, photographers, artists, teachers, and many more. So we're going to dive in the details about how to apply. So there are three types of Canva creators application. There's the template creators, the element creators, and the education specialty creators. You can choose one that suits your skills and interest the best. So if you would like to, for example, create educational programs, flashcards, if you would like to create guidebooks or infographics, then I would highly recommend, if you have a education background, to apply for the education specialty creators. But if you're looking for creating individual elements, if you, for example, have Procreate or any other design software where you do your own elements, then I highly recommend you apply for the Elements Creator program, and there is a lot of potential for that. Also, anyone can join, anyone can sign up and submit elements like photos, graphics, illustrations, and vector art. Although the element creator signups has been paused now because of the high demand, you can always register your interest because you will be notified when they reopen. You'll be one of the first people that get notified via email if you register for the Elements Creator program, although it has been currently paused. And if you are a qualified teacher or educator, you can also apply for the Education Specialty Creator, and then you'll be able to also create educational resources, the same as the website Teachers Pay Teachers, but this one, of course, the Canva has, great audience and a much more wider visibility and discoverability as well. So what can you create? So as a Canva creator, you can sell and create elements. And if you are in the template creator program, you can also create customizable layouts for presentations, social media graphics, videos, t-shirts, flyers, and many more. The possibilities are endless. You can also earn royalties for your hard work. So creators usually earn royalties based on the performance of their content. The Canva's subscription revenues, it contributes to the royalty pools, which are then calculated every single month. And you can find more about the payments detail on the Canva's creator website, which I will link in the description box below. And what about the review process? Well, your work does go through a review process because they want to ensure that it meets the Canva's design requirements. Don't worry, the guidelines will be provided upon your successful approval in order to help you create designs that pass the review as well. So join the Canva Creators program if you see that you're eligible, and if you're interested in that. It is a wonderful, exciting opportunity to showcase your creativity, share your work with a massive audience, and earn passive royalties for your designs. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion into a resource or into a source of great passive income. Take action now and apply to become a Canva creator today if you are interested. Link in the description below. Let's create and earn together. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.